Hi everyone, welcome to TechNouron YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install MySQL in your system. So for that, go to the MySQL community download page. You can click this link to go to the page, and if you open this, this page will be open dev.mysql.com/download/installer. Once you reach the page, you can select the version that you want to install and you can select the operating system that you want to install. I'm going to install this software in my Windows system, so I'm selecting Windows, and you can select the web community or installer community. Okay, so web community is a smaller installer that downloads the components as needed, and this MySQL installer community is a file which is used to which is used to download every package and do the installation offline. Okay, so I'm going with the download any kind of installer, that is fine. So download it anyone and open it. Once you open it, it will ask for the setup type, which kind of setup type that you want to use. So server only, client only, full or custom. We are going to do the custom installation. So we'll select the custom and I will click next. And in the next screen, it is ask you to select the products: server, workbench, and shell. These three are very important. If you find with the workbench, if you don't want to use the command prompt, you can ignore the cell, or else you can ignore, you can install three. Okay, so select the MySQL server and select the version that you want to install and click this arrow. It will move to this box. So like this, you can select these three softwares and you can move into here and click next. It will download, it will come to this screen. Click the execute, it is ready to download. Once it is download, it will come, you will get this screen and execute again. It will do the installation of this three product. Once you done that, don't change anything. Click the next button. It will ask you for the product configuration, which means server configuration. So once you click the next, it will open this screen and you can see here config type should be development computer, and you select this port number. Both are, if you find with this port, you can go this port. Otherwise, if you want to install your MySQL in the different port, select the different version and click next. And once you click next, you will get this page: authentication method. Use the strong password encryption for authentication and click next, and it will ask you to set up the password for your admin user. So select the set the password. Once you set the password, here option to add the users. If you want to go with the admin, you can go with the admin, or else like add the user. With that user also, you can work with the this MySQL and click next. And here don't change anything, click next and give the permission as per your need. I'm going to give the admin for a full permission, so I'm going to select the first one and click next and try to execute this. And once apply the configuration, so once it is done, click the finish. Once you finish, it will ask for the again this product configuration. Click the next and it will say that installations complete, and click the finish. Your installation software will be closed. So now we successfully install the MySQL in your system. Once you done that, open, we need to set the path for the server so that without any problem MySQL will work in your computer. So for that, search environment variables and start in the start menu and select edit system environment variables and click environment variables. And under this system variables, you see you can see able to see one box, and click that path. If you click that path, you will get this kind of box. Here where you install your MySQL server, now go there and copy the path, and till the bin path you need to copy and paste it here. Once you copy paste it, click OK. It will close this box, and again how many number of windows you will open, right click OK on all cascading boxes to close them. Okay, so now you set the path as well. Now you downloaded the software, you install that it, you install it, and now you set the path as well. Next you need to verify the installation. So for that, open any kind of open any command prompt. For that, open command prompt and mysql -u root -b. If you type this, you will get this options to enter the password. The password you set it right, you need to type it here, and it will show that welcome to MySQL monitor. If it shows like that, then we can sure on that MySQL is successfully installed our system. So at the end, it will give the MySQL hyphen this greater than symbol. If you able to see that, now this command prompt is able to run the any kind of MySQL query that you want. Okay, so this is how we need to install MySQL in your system. So if you have any problems, comment it on the YouTube. I will try to help you to solve the problem, guys. And if this is useful, share it with your friends, and like this video, and subscribe my channel, and click the notification button, so that for the next upcoming videos you will get notified. So it will help you to learn MySQL quickly. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.